Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Multi-Recipes and Cookeries channel. Famous Food from Famous Countries Part 3 Homemade Mapo Tofu Chinese Food Dish. Authentic homemade Mapo Tofu recipe, easy and delicious. And today we have a mouth-watering recipe that's sure to satisfy your taste buds, homemade Mapo Tofu. If you love bold flavors and a little bit of spice, you're in for a treat. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to our Multi-Recipes and Cookeries channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our delicious recipes. Now, let's get started. Let's go through the ingredients you'll need for this amazing Mapo Tofu. The great thing is, most of these ingredients can be found in your local grocery store. 1 pound, 450 grams, firm tofu. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. Half pound, 225 grams ground beef. 2 tablespoons fermented black beans, rinsed and minced. 2 tablespoons doubanjiang, spicy broad bean paste. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. 1 teaspoon sugar. 1 cup, 240 milliliters, chicken or vegetable broth. 2 teaspoons cornstarch mixed with 2 tablespoons water, slurry. 3 green onions, finely chopped. 1 teaspoon Sichuan peppercorns, toasted and ground. Cooked white rice for serving. Now, let's move on to the preparation steps. It's quite simple, and the result is absolutely delicious. Step 1. Prepare the tofu. Cut the tofu into 1-inch cubes and set aside. Step 2. Sauté the beef and aromatics. Heat vegetable oil in a wok or a large pan over medium heat. Add ground beef, breaking it apart with a spatula and cook until browned. Add minced fermented black beans and doubanjiang. Stir fry for about 1 to 2 minutes until fragrant. Step 3. Add sauce and tofu. Add soy sauce, oyster sauce, and sugar. Stir to combine. Stir gently to coat the tofu with the sauce. Step 4. Simmer. Pour in the chicken or vegetable broth, and bring it to a gentle simmer. Let it cook for about 8 to 10 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld. Step 5. Thicken the sauce. Add the cornstarch slurry to chicken the sauce. Stir gently to coat the tofu evenly. Step 6. Finish and garnish. Sprinkle chopped green onions, parsley and ground Sichuan peppercorns over the Mapo tofu. Give it a final gentle stir and turn off the heat. There you have it, our homemade Mapo tofu is ready to be enjoyed. Serve it over a bed of steamed white rice, and you're in for a flavor explosion. Ingredients and preparation methods are in the description box. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe our Multi-Recipes and Cookeries channel for more delicious recipes. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking! Thank you very much Mapo tofu lovers.